guys, so good morning, happy Vlogmas. I'm out doing a photo shoot right now and I thought I'd get the vlog started. It's gonna be a busy day and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So this is a little behind the scenes of a photo shoot. Have all my clothes in the back seat. It's a hot mess, you guys, but this is the behind the scenes and I'll bring those next. Okay, I'll be right back. Just love changing in park bathrooms. So I just got back from the photo shoot. The pictures turned out seriously so stinking cute, and I changed into what I'm wearing to class today. I have class, I need to leave in like 5 minutes. I still need to print out my essay. Last night I stayed up till 2 in the morning. I wrote a 10-page paper in one day. My biggest tip is to never, ever, my phone is buzzing, save a paper for the night before. It was the most stressful thing I've ever done and I have mass regrets for doing it, but it is done. I'm gonna print it out. I have English. It's my second to last English class for the semester, which is so amazing. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, then we're gonna go print this paper out, and then we're gonna drive to school because I am running very late, which is the huge. This is the outfit. It is just this polo t-shirt. It is like navy with red stripes, and then I just have on some skinny jeans from American Eagle with my little penny loafers that are from Sperry. They're my go-to favorites. But oh my god, you guys. That paper last night, it was so boring. The topic was about like social media and like leaving it and stuff, so I was like, I don't know. I mean, like, I'm on social media, but I'm gonna pack my bag up. That in there. I think we're good. Probably a little bit of the different red one. Okay. Guys, my windshield's frozen. Don't know where my little scraper thing is. Oh, there it is. Bless, it's stuck. On my way to English class, my ETA, it is exactly 12:30, so we're just gonna see what happens. I've never been late to this class before, so I think we'll be fine. And I mean, there's only one more class after this. I don't think my professor is gonna care too much, but oh my goodness, I was printing it out and I was freaking out because when I hit print, nothing started happening. Like, the printer didn't light up or anything, and I'm not very tech savvy. The printer wasn't even plugged in. So I was like, what is wrong with our printer? It's not working, but I figured it out. I plugged it in. But I'm super excited because 2 packages were on my front porch when I left, but I was like, I can't open those right now because I have to get to class. But you better believe we're gonna do an unboxing when I get home. I'm so excited because one of them is from Quest Nutrition, which I love. I'm just like still shook that I'm on their PR list and I love their products, and I'm super excited to share them with you guys. But usually don't do photo shoots on Tuesday morning, but you know, it happened and I'm happy it did because I got some cute Instagram pictures coming your way. It's just fun. It's like December, it's Vlogmas, it's content time. But I'm gonna drive safely. I'm gonna jam out to my playlist on Spotify, which is linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. Whew. Here for it. Hey you guys, so I just left English. I'm currently at FedEx. I have to print out one of my photography projects for my class tomorrow, which I cannot believe tomorrow is already Wednesday. But English went really well. We did a peer review, so I just have a few minor little changes to do on my essay, and then I can print that off and have that ready for Thursday when we're turning it in, which that is my last English class for this semester, which just feels so weird. I'm like low-key gonna miss it, but at the same time I'm happy it's over. It was a good class. But I'm about to run into FedEx. I have to print off this photography project, then I'm gonna swing by the bank and the library. I have to drop off a library book. But it's been a great day so far, and then when I get home we're gonna do a little unboxing. I'm just so excited. Then I have math class later tonight, and then what else? I have 2 art projects I need to finish tonight as well. I'm just gonna hope FedEx is super easy. I usually come here with my mom, so fingers crossed. Well, Guys, that went very badly. I walked in and I was like, can you help me print this? And I had my little SD card and they're like, we don't use those anymore. You have to put it on a USB. And I'm like, I don't have one of those. So we're just gonna find somewhere else to print it. It's fine. Glad I didn't save this for tomorrow, to be quite honest. Okay, we got this. I'm gonna swing by the library because I'm closer to that, and then I don't know, I can't decide where I'm gonna go to print this off because I didn't think this through. I just thought it was gonna be like a quick and easy thing. What are we listening to? Ooh, this song is a bop. This is super weird. I haven't even thought about listening to Christmas music yet, and it's already December, and technically it's like Christmas music season, and I haven't even done so. But I feel like once school's over and like finals are done, I think I'll be like more in the Christmas mood. It just doesn't feel like Christmas time yet for me. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because we don't have like all our Christmas decor up. Not really sure. Guys, the library is popping. It's like 2:30 on a Tuesday. This is crazy, but really funny. Okay, just gonna squeeze through here. I'm always so scared I'm gonna hit those yellow things every time I do this. Woo. Hi you guys, but I am so short and I have a small car, so I always have to unbuckle and just get out of my car to do this, but that's fine. Driving. It's all good. And then we're just gonna get back in the car quickly because someone else is behind me.
Hi, welcome to Hotel. I get your receipt right now.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, you guys. Walgreens came in clutch and I got my picture printed. Printed it off the wrong size because they didn't have the size I needed, but you know, A for effort. Yeah, that's where we're going with that. Okay you guys, so I just got home. I thought it'd be fun to open up this Quest package that I've been telling you guys about all day. I'm so excited. I seriously love their products so much. I will have them linked down below for you guys. It looks so cute. I love the Christmas packaging. So it says season's greetings and it's got this big bow on here. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite. I was just talking about these the other day. They're Quest cookies. So we got chocolate chip, double chocolate chip, peanut butter, and peanut butter chocolate chip. These are seriously so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Quest, for this PR package. Back in the car, I'm going to my math class. I'm telling you, these night classes are fine when the semester starts in the fall, but like towards the winter when it gets super dark out early, I'm so tired because it's like so dark, and then when you leave the class, it's like pitch black outside, and I'm just like, I'm ready for bed, even though it's only like 7:38 by the time I leave. But I'm on my way to class. I'm gonna hit the gym after because I haven't worked out in forever. I think I'm just gonna do like a power walk, just something. I've been so busy, I haven't hit the gym for a while. But that is the update. We're gonna drive there. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic. Lately, when I go to my late night math class, there's so much traffic. I'll spend more time in my car on the way there than the actual class, which is so crazy. But it's all good. Just get to enjoy some time jamming out to music in my car, I guess.
Listen, man, I heard you done got you a gun.
We just sold out all the floor seats.
I swear TikTok music has changed my life. See, it's just super dark. My camera died on the way there, but math class was only half an hour. We went over the test review. We have a final next week, and I am back home. It's like 7 o'clock. I changed into some fitness clothes, and I'm gonna go hit the gym. I haven't been to the gym in 2 weeks because I sprained my toe. And I had to go like to the doctor and everything. I got a shot, and it's been a hot mess. But I'm excited because this is the first workout. So I'm gonna show you guys my workout outfit. I just threw on this Adidas sport jacket, super cute. Then I just have a Nike sports bra on, some leggings that are from Love Ellie. They're super cute. They're like moto leggings. And then I just have on some all white Nike sneakers. I'm seriously so excited. Okay guys, I am back from the gym. It is currently like 8:40, which is so crazy. I'm at my desk and I haven't sat down at my desk all day today, and I have so many emails, and I also have 3 art projects that I need to finish. I need to edit my essay that I wrote yesterday a little bit, and I also need to edit tomorrow's Vlogmas video. And on top of all of that, I need to paint my fingernails because they're not painted and I feel very weird without having painted fingernails. I think I'm gonna go for either red or pink. Still not really sure, but I'm gonna try and multitask and get all of this done. I'm a little stressed just because, like I mentioned earlier, it is my final week before finals and there's just a lot of stuff to get done, and then throw Vlogmas daily videos on top of it. So we're just gonna take a few deep breaths and get it done. My workout went really well at the gym. I just did incline walking just since I haven't worked out for 2 weeks, and I have to take it really easy since I did sprain my toe, which is like such a weird thing, but it's like a common thing with athletes and stuff. Not that I consider myself an athlete, but it is a common thing that happens when you are very active and everything. So I've just been taking it easy, and that was the first workout and I was winded. But I'm gonna get started. I'm just gonna put some music on and just sit down at my desk and have a hardcore focus and hopefully get everything done before midnight. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Oh my goodness, I just got back from my morning class. It's around 12:05. I brought my vlog camera with me. I was ready to start the vlog this morning, and I turned my camera on and it says insert SD card, so I totally forgot to bring that. It was in my computer since I stayed up editing last night. I went to bed at 2 because I had to finish all my projects and editing and everything. And then I overslept and I like somehow managed to get there on time and everything. But I thought it'd be fun to show you guys my outfit. And then when I came home, my package that I was talking to you guys about yesterday arrived, so we can do like a little unboxing. This is what I wore today. I just have on this striped t-shirt from Romway. It's seriously just a long sleeve t-shirt, and I put a denim Oxford from Abercrombie underneath it. And then I just have on some corduroy pants that are from Gap with my Eastland Charlie 1955 boots. Seriously love these boots and the pants together. I think it's such a fun combo. Have my sunglasses on from earlier, and then my simple Daniel Wellington watch, which is slowly becoming my new fave. I haven't taken off the ring since I got it, and my nails turned out pretty good from yesterday. I'm happy about them. I feel like the red was like a good holiday color. More importantly, I got this package. We're gonna do a little unboxing and I'm gonna set you guys up and show you guys what I got. Okay, I think this should go. Okay, I think this should work. So it is from Shein. It's seriously a massive package, you guys. I picked out a lot of holiday themed items, which I'm so excited about. So the first one is this plaid skirt. I thought this would be really fun for the holidays. It's like a little scrunch skirt, so it's just scrunchy at the top. The material, when I first opened it up, was a little weird because I was like, oh, this isn't what I was expecting from the website. But it's just like a thin skirt, and it is kind of more of a fitted skirt, which I didn't expect. I thought it was going to be a little bit more of a flare skirt, but it's super cute, super comfy, and I can definitely see myself wearing this all month long. White turtleneck, which I'm so excited about. I love turtlenecks. I think Turtleneck Tuesday is definitely a thing, and what surprised me most is I didn't own a white turtleneck, so I picked up this white ribbed turtleneck. I don't know if you guys can see that detailing, but it's just a very fitted turtleneck. I think I got this in a size small, maybe a medium, but I think it's a small. And I just thought that went really well with the plaid. And I also have a plaid dress similar to this that I thought this would be cute underneath, kind of like a layering look. I've had this before, but I gave it to a friend, and I just think it's such a cute preppy coat. I got this in a size medium, but it is this brown pea coat type jacket. It's long, it's cute. I think it's just adorable. I got this in a size medium, which I wanted to size up just in case you are layering and stuff, but I just feel like this is such a chic look in the winter. I also picked up a navy turtleneck. The material of this one's a little weird. I can't describe it. It's not like a thick material at all, so it kind of looks warm, but it might not be warm. But I just love the navy of it. It is more of a cropped turtleneck, which I just think more cropped cuts, like where they're not super long, are more flattering. decluttering just since I am so short, and I'm really excited to try this one out because it has like a cute little sleeve puff, which I just think is such a fun detail. I picked up another skirt, and this one I'm not really sure how I like it. I thought this would be cute for the holidays because it's kind of like a red and black plaid. It does have a weird slit up the side, which is just not my style, but I mean, I haven't tried it on yet, so it might look really cute. Not really sure, but I just feel like this would look, it kind of looks cute with the stripes. I don't know. I thought this would be like a fun holiday skirt. Another thing that I kind of picked up thinking for the holidays, because New Year's Eve's coming up, it's like the end of the year, and I always like to wear a fun sequiny outfit, and I saw this and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it out. But I feel like rompers are always really hard because either they're too big or they're too small. There's like no in between, I feel like, and you get lucky if you find one that fits really well. I just have a longer torso, so usually they're super short on me, and unfortunately this one is super short on me, but it's so fun. So it is this sequin long sleeve romper, so it just has shorts in it. I think it's so cool. I think this would be such a fun outfit to wear on New Year's Eve. It is a little short, but I don't know, maybe I can make it work. Just try it out a little bit. But look how shiny that is. And then it's like a full back too, so I love how it's very like full coverage and everything, but it is like short, so it's like still cute and fun and flirty. Hot pink corduroy pants, and they have a little pop of red down the side. I personally love mixing pink and red together. I think it's such a bold color combination that not a lot of people do. It's just a really big corduroy style pant, and I think they're super cute. I can't wait to style these. And the last thing I got, I honestly don't remember putting this in my cart, and it's kind of different. I probably won't wear it, and I don't know. It's cute, but it's not as cute as I thought it was going to be. It just doesn't look like what it looked like on the website, I guess. I don't know. It is this like cheetah print long sleeve dress. I mean, it looks kind of cute on camera, but like in real life it just looks so weird to me. But it's just like a shift dress, and I just thought that would be fun with like a little pair of black heels for like a night out or something, but not really sure how I feel about it. But that is everything I picked up from Shein. I will have it linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much, Shein, for sending that to me, and I'm so excited to style some of these pieces. So that's all good. That's fun. And now I need to start editing this vlog because it's going up later. I have my photography class at 2, my morning class, since it was our last class. Like, we finished everything, there's no exam. Got out early, which was so nice. I filled up my car, and now I'm home. I need to eat lunch still. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna have. I was thinking a protein bar, but I'm out of the ones that I like. But I did just get that box of cookies, so maybe I'll have like a protein cookie and something for lunch. That's a good idea. I'm about that. But I will keep you guys updated. I can't believe I forgot my memory card this morning, but it's all good. Okay, I found this protein bar. I think I'm gonna have this for lunch with some water and just kind of like sit back and respond to YouTube comments and stuff right now. Okay guys, time for class part 2. Got this. I am about to get to campus, and I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I had so much fun bringing you guys along with me for a few days in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!